every pony. It's me, Morgan here, and today I have my little brother here. And today we will be opening this package, My Little Pony Pop. So what we have here is Rarity. Oh, pin fell. What we have here is Rarity and Luna, and this is my first My Little Pony Pop playset that I ever got. So let's get this opened. Me a while to get these out, but I finally did. And it's a little blurry. Let me just. It's a little blurry. Alright. Yeah. So what was at the back of the box was this. Was this packet with stickers and probably a booklet. What we have here is our Pop Rarity. Some little hair right here. Like, here's the tail, here's the mane. Then there's Luna's hair and Luna's mane. Luna's mane and Luna's hair, tail. Either this is the mane or the tail. And this is, oh right, this one's the mane, this one's the tail. Then right here we have Rarity's mane and her tail. And we have a little bracelet. And then we have a pair of wings. 2 pairs of wings. Yeah. What I have my little brother here to do is we're going to have a competition to see who can make the best pony pop out of this whole thing. But we're not really going to use the stickers for them because, well, yeah, I don't really like to use stickers on my toys. I just like using the original. Yeah, so let's get them out, and yeah. So guys, we got everything out. Here are the Luna set. Here's the Luna set, and here's Rarity. Yeah, here's Luna. It had a Rarity sticker. Here's the Rarity sticker. It has like a picture of Rarity and shoes and more shoes. Yeah. Alright, this is the Luna sticker. It has a picture of a Luna and a crown and the spider. So, this is the pamphlet that came with it. At first it has little Fluttershy with her little cottage and Pinkie Pie with her bake set. Then on this section, it has Princess Twilight Sparkle and Princess Cadance. Alright, and this is the deluxe set with the main 6 here. Then it has the Rarity we have now. Alright, now time for the Sugar Cube Corner. Yeah, it's now time for the Sugar Cube Corner. What we have here is Pinkie Pie and the Sugar Cube Corner. Yeah, as seen on My Little Pony, and the stickers are right here. They may seem a little blurry. They're a little blurry to me too, but it's worth it. Let's turn it around, snap it, pop it, personalize it. I mean, style it. And you know, these are like My Little Pony shipping names. Apple Dash, I've heard that before. Rainbow Jack, it's same as Apple Dash, but the name's switched around. Flutterpie, Pinkie Sparkle. Why? So in this set, I put the manes here, like the little fluffy mane, Luna's mane, Yawn mane, Rarity's mane. Yeah. In this section right here, I put all the tails here. Yeah. The wings go here. Luna goes here. Why did you move her? Luna goes here. And Rarity goes here. Let's get started. Let's bring out the OCs. So guys, we have our OCs. Hi, Dangling. Hi. Alright, so let's get started. You know, I choose Rarity to build. Who do you choose? Wait. First you have to choose one. Who do you choose? No, I want Luna. She's an angel of darkness. Okay, then. I'm fine with that. Alright, we have at least 60 minutes. Ready? Go! We're done with the first round. Yes, so this is my Luna. Move out the way. This is my Luna. I think I made her. Shut up!
Get out of the way, Pinky.
No, this is my video. I get to shoot my own, thing first. Alright, this is Princess Luna, her original form. Yes. Now show yourself.
Oh,
Where's your tail? You have to, show her the... Okay, that sucks. Yeah. Alright. They have now it's
legs.
time for a different form, like switching and stuff like that. And then you get to name your own pony that you switched. Ready, set, oh, and here's going to be the tricky part. You're going to have to change sides of the pony. So this is my... Shut up!
I love
This is mine.
Oh.
Alright, this is mine. It's half Luna, half Rarity. And my half Luna has Rarity mane
fancy.
and Luna's tail. No. Alright, and my little brother's has Luna's mane and Rarity's tail and Luna's wings. Give me who that? Alright, and my name is Lunarity. And his name is Runa. Yeah. Now for the final round. Customize, which will be easy because it's your own costume. Ready, start.
I'm so fancy.
Yeah, we're so fancy. Yeah! Your wings fell off. You don't need wings.
Yes, I
You
do.
can just be a unicorn. I've always wanted to be born a unicorn because I hate flying lessons. He always showed me flying lessons, and I hate it. Shut up, Rarity. Yeah, so.
Yeah. Oh my God, you're so naughty. You're just a unicorn.
One
I'm
moment,
an alicorn.
Ah! I'm so fancy.
No, I'm so fancy.
Shut up!
I'm so fancy.
Hi, I'm fabulous. Wanna know what my name is? And my name is John Cena! Oh, wait, I said it wrong. Hi, I'm so fancy. And my name is Princess Luna!
Oh, you're so invisible! I got the power. I got the doo-doo. I got the power.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done.
I got the power.
Oh my
God.
Bye.
Thanks, guys, for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Ow.
Oh, crap.